What is up, y'all? How's it going? Back again today. I'm not gonna lie, today, this past 2 days were fucking hard, man. Dead ass. Like, I've been inside the room basically the whole day yesterday. Today as well. I just came outside quickly to get some sun. And actually go outside for once. Touch grass, kid. Type shit, but yeah. I'm gonna go back, and that's how it is, bro. You just gotta do the long hours. There's no time limit. You just keep going whenever you have free time, and that's how you're gonna make it, bro. That's how I'm gonna make it. Just long hours, and I'll show you guys the state of the place I'm chilling in. Sigma, goated. Fucking bro, I've been sitting on this bed all messed up and shit for fucking, I don't know, since yesterday around like, bro, from 11 o'clock yesterday until like an hour ago, the next day, today. And yeah, pretty much just sitting, watching videos, learning, talking to some clients, and then just busting my ass, anything I can do. I'm also getting into a mentorship. I'm so lucky. Thank God that I've like got the chance to actually go out and learn. I'm paying for this new mentorship. It's about 6K, 6 grand, and hopefully I can join it. Obviously, I don't have the funds right now, so I'm gonna be hopping on a payment plan. It's about like what, 1.4K down, and I just keep paying the rest. And yeah, bro, I've done everything in my power to get to run up this money, because you guys need to understand, learning, you gotta fucking learn. When you wanna go into something, what up, Michaela? Say hi.
Bye-bye.
Anyway, when you wanna learn something, you wanna go into dropshipping, you wanna go into SMMA, and you see someone that's already done what you've done, why wouldn't you just learn from them instead of trying to pave your own path? There's legit no reason for that. Sure, you might feel more fulfilled when you do it yourself, but at the end of the day, speed is what we're all looking for, bro. You gotta be fast, quick. You gotta be the first one there. You gotta be the winner. No one's gonna care how you got there. All they care is how fast you got there. And yeah, pretty much, that's it. All they care is how fast you got there and if you got there or not. They don't care about if you did it yourself, if you used a mentor, if you did this, that, and the third. They don't care about the long journey that you took, staying up at night. All anyone cares about is the final fucking result, and that's all they see. They don't see all this time I spend in my room, on videos, doing outreach, doing all this shit. They don't see all of that. All they see is the fucking results. And yeah, pretty much. Hold on a second. What are you doing? Kayla.
Yes.
What are you doing?
I just want him.
Why are you lying? Why are you washing your hands? What are you doing?
Just washing his hands. For Timo.
What?
What?
What are you doing, bro? Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, how's it going? Yeah, pretty much, man. You just gotta grind. Whenever you have the chance, just grind, bro. Just work hard. And even better if you can get a mentor. Like right now, the mentor that I'm going into, bro, I know this guy is gonna help me. I know he has the skills. He's done what I want to do. So why wouldn't I just pay him to teach me and, guide me away from the same mistakes he made, since he obviously didn't have a mentor to teach him. So yeah, pretty much. That's it. So that's all for today. I don't know, I might continue later, but I'm gonna hop back into this shit. Learn a bit more, do what I can, pretty much, man. And you know, when I do make it, you know, in a couple months from now, when I do start making some serious money off this and people see my success, they're gonna say, oh, it must have been easy. You know, we see the final product. This guy is probably scamming. Nah, he must have taken the easy route and got this money some way. I can't do it myself. But you wanna fucking do it? Look at what I'm doing to get it, man. I live inside this place. I live and breathe on my laptop, bro. That's my life. My laptop and my phone. Wow. Wow. It's a necklace. Oh, is it? Wow. Okay. Yeah, pretty much, man. You just gotta live and breathe it. And then you'll truly know when you're going to achieve it, when you just, I don't know how to explain it, but something just switches in your mentality and you just know that you're going to make it, bro. You just know that it's going to happen. I don't know what it is. Like, I can't explain it, but you can just feel it. There's no chance I can fail now, bro. The amount of time and effort I put in, like, there's no way I can fucking fail. And the shit just, man, I just can't wait for that one fateful day when I get to come on here and I say, I actually finally did it, man. And you guys can relay back on all my videos. Right now, it might not hit you as hard because, you know, I haven't achieved it yet. But when I do, bro, you guys are going to be like, oh, shit. Now let's go back and reminisce on him before. I want to see how he was before all this fame and all this stuff. Bro, you're looking at me right fucking now. So, yeah. You guys should grind as well, man. If you have something you want to do, man, go after it. Just put your head down and fucking work, because it's the only way you're going to achieve it. And a lot of people always think that this online work is, oh, it's so easy. Like, it's luck that you have to get it. It's easy. Anyone can go into it and do this. No, it's fucking not, bro. We might not show the hard yards, but, bro, it's fucking hard. If it wasn't this hard, then everyone would be doing it, man. Tell me how these kids making more than doctors at the age of 18, bro. Making more than doctors every single month. You're telling me they didn't do any hard work to get that? You're telling me it was all just easy? Luck? I don't fucking think so, man. Yeah. Yeah, anyway. That's what y'all need to do, man. Just grind it out. Go through the hard yards. Come, Kayla. Oh, I feel so fucking sick, man. Disgusting. I feel like a cramp building up my leg or some shit, bro. I need to go play ball. Dead ass. I haven't played in a minute, man. Like a couple months. Or I should go gym, some shit. But man, yo, living a life of the young and the gifted in the studio. Hello, Kayla. What's your name?
My name is Kayla.
What's your sister's name?
Celeste.
Yeah, Celeste. Anyway, I'll see you boys later if I do continue. Oh yeah, and by the way, I didn't go to the concert yesterday. I don't know, some things came up. Obviously, mentorship, so I couldn't risk the time. I had to stay home. I had a call scheduled for 12. The performance was at 11, so I obviously couldn't make it. But yeah, you gotta sacrifice some stuff. Come, off the road. Anyway, oh my god. Why are you tripping? What are you doing? You're such an illegal rat. You saw clearly that the car was coming and you decide, let me run on the road.
I want to playground.
Not right now. Then I'm just gonna go. Say bye-bye to the camera. Say bye.
Bye bye, grandma.
Say grind, don't stop
Grandma. Stop.
until the casket drops.
Time.
Say drops.
Stops.
Yeah, you heard it there, folks. Grind, don't stop till the motherfucking casket drops. See y'all boys later. W's inside. I just hopped off call with my dad and I was trying to explain to him that. So I've been waiting to have this talk for a long time, and I tried to explain to him that I didn't want to go uni and I wanted to pursue this 100%. And you know what he said? He basically said, well, he tried to say it in the nicest way possible, but what he said was basically, you go down this path, you're not gonna make it, you're gonna end up like a bum, and it's not gonna work out. Go to uni, get a degree, and I don't know, yeah, pretty much. Just go uni. That's the only proper way. And that's what he said to me. He said, there's no way you're gonna make any money in this. It's not gonna become, real. It's not anything legit. But yeah, that just pushes me to want to do it even more. When people don't believe in you. So I'm gonna just go back to work and not fucking talking, but just want to let you guys know that's what's happening right now. But yeah, it is what it is, man. Anyway, I'm gonna just bust my ass. I guess we'll see. Maybe he'll be right, maybe he'll be wrong, but I'm gonna just put my head down and get to work because I don't even know what to say, man. Just get back to work, gang. He basically made me search this up while I was on call, and he said, if you guys didn't know before, I wanted to be an architect, and that's what I told him. So he said, find out the salary for a beginner in architecture. He didn't want to say it directly, but what he basically said was, you think that you're gonna make more than this through what you're doing, by not going to uni, by not going to, doing all this shit. You think you're gonna make more than this. Who knows, he might be right, but let me just try my hardest and let's see if I can prove him wrong. But all I know is that's not gonna stop me. It's not gonna discourage me from doing what I'm doing. I'm sure he means the best for me, but it doesn't really seem like it. Yeah, but back to work, man. What up? It's later on in the day, same day. I've just been doing some outreach and shit, bro. I can't even set this thing up, but yeah. I'm here waiting for my brother. I just came to drop him off somewhere. And I don't know, I thought I'd just whip out my camera and record because today's been a tricky one, man. After the call with my dad, getting an insight on his perspective on what I'm doing, and everything just seeming like it's finally coming together, and then all of a sudden just crashing down. It's real crazy. But yeah, so it happens. As long as I can hold my shit together, bro, that's all that matters. And I don't know, it's kind of weird, man, when you're on, like, the person that you thought, well, the person that you wanted to support you the most on this doesn't really support it. I don't know, it's kind of weird. But I guess it's happened. You can't have everyone on your side. But that just means I gotta work harder to prove them wrong. But yeah, when my brother comes, let's dip out, man. I'll see you boys later. Anyway, grind don't stop till the cash can drop. That's the end of today's vlog.